a lot new at Sun Life, as is typically the case. Most notably, we recently purchased PinnacleCare, who is bringing 20 years of experience in expert healthcare navigation and support for those facing a complicated medical diagnosis. We are thrilled to welcome the PinnacleCare family into our stop loss of health business, allowing us to find areas of expertise to be able to best support our clients and their covered employees and their dependents. You know, at Sun Life, we've always felt that in order to positively impact our clients' health journey, we needed to find a way to be there for them really at the beginning of the road to recovery. And PinnacleCare is the best partner for that mission. We know that healthcare is at the center of our clients' lives, and we knew we could do more to positively impact that. And so we're thrilled to have the PinnacleCare partnership to deliver the value to our clients.
As everybody knows, the healthcare system can be difficult, it's time-consuming to navigate, and it's extremely stressful. But the reality is it doesn't have to be. People get the right care at the right time. It'll improve both their experience as well as their outcome, and cost savings follow. I love the high-touch expert nature of PinnacleCare. They have relationships with centers of excellence and the top medical professionals across the country. They help individuals get objective opinions fast. All these services make all aspects of navigating the healthcare world less challenging for the member. We took that a step further and created an integrated offering that gives us the ability to offer our members the support they need at the onset of their road of recovery. We've always been there to reimburse high-dollar claims and provide guidance to self-funded employers. And now we're so excited to be able to do more. It's time to take a holistic approach to stop loss, and we are now able to make a difference in the moments that matter the most.
People experiencing a complex health condition need expert medical guidance from objective sources. And through PinnacleCare, we can support our members when they are facing these complex problems by providing this guidance. And while there may be cost savings, it's really not about that. It's about offering a service to our employer clients, which they can offer to their covered employees and dependents that will help them navigate the world of healthcare a bit more effectively so they can focus on what matters most, their health.
20 years ago, my first son was born, and we spent 3.5 months in the neonatal intensive care unit. Following that, he had a significant number of complications and candidly never had a diagnosis. I did all of his navigation care myself. It was an insurmountable task, frankly, and as I reflect back and think about the 3.5 years that we had with him, I spent far too much time worrying about navigating, repeating his story, sharing all of the intimate details of his medical records that were in my brain, when I really should have spent time being a mom. You know, one of my hopes and goals is that anybody experiencing that with a family member, a loved one, doesn't have to go through that. And PinnacleCare is just a great acquisition for us from the perspective of it allows us to actually provide those services to our members in a very comprehensive way.
So 5 years ago, our son Zach was experiencing headaches and vomiting, and we of course took him to the doctor, and they sent us to a neurologist. And after about a week or so, he was diagnosed with a brain tumor. Of course, we were assigned to a neurosurgeon, a neuro-oncologist, and the journey began. Because of the emergency nature of his situation, we really didn't have a chance to thoroughly research, the best neuro-oncologist, the best neurosurgeon. We were kind of, they were handed to us, and thankfully they were very good. But a year into it, the treatment plan was really not working effectively. My research was exhaustive on the internet, trying to find ways to save my son, and I was fortunate to obtain a second opinion through a service similar to PinnacleCare, and they were able to basically validate that the treatment plan that we were pursuing with our son was spot on. So it really gave us the peace of mind that I think is really critical when you or a family member, maybe more importantly, is going through these very challenging health journeys. So that these kind of services just provide so much value, but most importantly, they provide a peace of mind that you're doing all you can for your loved one.